Meet Daniel, a 22-year-old university student who loves spending time with his friends, but hates the endless back and forth that comes with planning a simple hangout. Between exams, part-time work, and everyone's different schedules, planning turns into confusion, and often, nothing happens at all. That's where EasyGo comes in. Our app helps people like Daniel plan hangouts effortlessly, from choosing friends and destinations to coordinating in real time, all in one place. Our primary audience is a social, time-poor, young adult aged 18 to 25. People who value connection but need simplicity. They'll use EasyGo because it turns a stressful planning process into a single shared experience. It entices through ease of setup and keeps users engaged through collaborative features that make every hangout smooth and spontaneous. During our guest panel session, one key piece of feedback was to consider EasyGo's business model, specifically how we would generate revenue. In response, we introduced a sponsored promotion feature. When a trip is generated, the algorithm can favour partner venues or events, clearly marked with a sponsored tag to maintain transparency and ethics. This creates a viable income stream while also connecting users with experiences they might actually enjoy. Other feedback suggested we should compete with major social platforms like Instagram and Facebook, but we chose not to adopt that. EasyGo isn't designed to replace those apps. Instead, it's a tool for efficient planning, not endless scrolling. Existing apps help people socialise, but none make planning as seamless as EasyGo. While Meetup and Eventbrite focus on live public events, and tools like When to Meet or Google Calendar target logistics, EasyGo bridges the gap between social spontaneity and structured organisation. It combines the visual ease of group chats, the coordination of Discord events, and the local discovery of Eventbrite, all optimised for small group, everyday hangouts. Our business model is simple. The app is free for users, while businesses and event organisers can pay to promote their locations or experiences through our trip generation system, creating sustainable revenue without compromising the user experience. If we had more time to build EasyGo in full, the platform would expand far beyond the MVP. Future features include integration with calendar and map services for live scheduling and directions, in-app chat and polls for group decision-making, a shared photo album that automatically collects media from the trip, AI-powered trip recommendations based on group interests and past outings, as well as push notifications for reminders and activity suggestions during quiet periods. Each addition strengthens our goal, making it easier for friends to meet up more often. The first core feature is adding and managing friends. From the home screen, users can press the Friends tab. To add friends, users can search for a name, scroll the suggested list, or even scan a unique QR code for a direct link to a specific person. Users also have the ability to remove friends by swiping right to left on the person of choice. EasyGo allows users to create groups for frequent hangouts, like uni crew or work friends, making future planning faster and more personal. The second feature is trip generation, the heart of EasyGo. Users can select who's joining, choose from a range of activities, such as dining, sports, or movies, or completely randomize their hangout. The app then automatically generates tailored location and activity suggestions that fit the group's preferences. These suggestions can be edited or removed based on group feedback, ensuring that the final plan reflects what everyone's most excited about. Sponsored venues appear with a small banner to indicate promotion, maintaining full transparency. Once the trip is confirmed, EasyGo takes users back to the homepage where their trip plan appears pinned at the top, ready to go when the hangout begins. The third feature highlights the during trip experience. Once plans are confirmed and the Start Prep button is pressed, the app transitions into trip mode, providing a real-time timeline of the hangout through a dynamic progress bar. Users can view upcoming activities, get directions to the next location, and see live updates from friends who are en route. Even if someone turns off their phone, the app ensures they stay informed through notification banners that share important updates or changes to the plan. Once a trip is concluded, users have the option to capture and share images to their home screen social feeds. This feature transforms the usual coordination chaos into a seamless, connected experience for everyone on the trip. Let's see EasyGo in action. Daniel has just finished his university work for the day and wants to plan a catch-up with his friends. He opens EasyGo and clicks the Trip Generator tab. He adds his friends, chooses a few activities, lunch, mini golf and a movie, and within seconds, EasyGo automatically generates a complete plan with suggested venues and times. Once Daniel finalises the trip, it's sent to his friends. They can review the suggestions and give a thumbs down to any activities they'd prefer to change. Daniel can then update or replace those activities directly in the app before confirming the final plan. After everything's locked in, EasyGo takes him back to the homepage, where the trip appears pinned at the top, ready to go when the hangout begins.